Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Today, guys, I want to show you, well, before we get started, you're here because you're landing on this page because you're looking for a way to make income from home, okay? My channel is affiliate marketing opportunities. I show people how to make money with affiliate marketing. So that's what this channel is for, and that's how you probably ended up landing here. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can use direct mail marketing, okay, to make residual income. All right, now we're going to start out with a program that I've been a part of for 3 years. Okay, it's called Easy Profit 100. It's been around for 7 years now. And this program is a direct mail program. It was created for the average Joe to be able to make income from home, okay? And the program is only a one-time $149, guys, to get started, okay? And the company is going to pay you $100 for everyone you refer into the program. You have a website and you have a back office so that you can track your sales, okay? Simple as that. You're going to order your postcards separately. Postcards are going to run you about $72 for 1,000 postcards. That's a great rate. And it only costs you 35 cents per stamp to mail these with postcard stamps. Okay, so you literally can mail 100 people for 35 bucks. Okay, so you're going to use this program called Easy Profit 100. Okay, as you can see right here. And you're going to mail the postcards out. We're going to, with the 149, you're going to receive 120 leads up front of names and addresses of people you're going to mail to, okay? But we're going to provide you companies that you're going to continue to order your leads from so that you can continue to mail out your cards, okay? So you're going to mail those postcards out. The company pays you $100 per referral. And you're also going to receive 2 sales from everybody. This is a reverse 2-up program. Everybody's going to pass up their second and fourth sale, okay? So that's where you get a lot of leverage, okay? Everyone passes up their second and fourth sale. So not only are you going to make $100 up front, you're going to make $100 on those other 2 people, and then they're going to have to pass up 2. Their 2 are going to have to pass up 2, and this just goes until infinity, okay? Unlimited depth potential, okay? All right, so you're going to mail your cards out, okay? And you're going to get paid $100 for everybody that joins Easy Profit 100. All right? Now, what we're going to do is incorporate a marketing system on the front end, okay? When you mail those cards out, okay, you want to have a marketing system, okay? And your page will look something like this. We have several of these. This is just one example I'm showing you. Okay, you're going to mail those cards out, and you're going to use this marketing system called the Power Lead System. Okay, it's a marketing system that's been around for 5 years. It's a solid company. The parent company has been around for 2 decades. This marketing system is global. Okay, so this and universal. It can be used anywhere in the world, and you can market any program. But we're going to talk about Easy Profit 100. So to be a part of Power Lead System, it's $53.97 a month, okay? This is going to be your marketing system, okay? And you're going to have a page like this. When you mail the postcards out, people are going to, your prospects are going to go to the website, and it's going to look like this. They're going to put their information in, okay? So the $53.97 is the monthly fee, okay? You're going to be a gold member right here. It says gold affiliate. You're going to be a gold member, and by being a gold member, it allows you to receive $20 residual income over and over every month, and 50% matching bonus on everybody you bring in as a gold member. Okay, so by utilizing this marketing system, we're creating duplication because your new members are going to want the system as well. So when they become a member of Easy Profit 100, over here, once they join, okay, they're going to want the system too. And when they join Power Lead System as a gold member, you make $20. Okay, and you're going to make that over and over as long as they keep their Power Lead System membership. Okay, now, to scale it up, become a diamond right here. Free Ad Secrets. Purchase this program. It's a one-time $147, and you're going to make $100 every time someone becomes a diamond. Position yourself to receive that. As you can see, I'm a platinum, so the next level is Social Profit Academy. Is $497 one time. You're able to make $400 commissions on that level. And the last level is Master Traffic Institute, and they just added that recently, and it's $1497 one time, and you can make $1,000 commissions and overrides of $200. Okay, so we're going to talk about you just becoming at least a diamond. Okay, go ahead and be a gold member to have this whole system, and this company trains you too, guys. That's the other thing. Your people are going to end up getting training. This is a good way to put your direct mail program on autopilot. You mail the cards, they go to this page. Once they enter their information, the Power Lead system has a presentation that they do, okay, and it's going to market your Easy Profit 100 business as well, because the autoresponder we have set up is for Easy Profit 100, but it's marketing both programs. Okay, so the Power Lead system is going to train your people how to use Power Lead system. Every Thursday there is a training for everybody. Okay, so you're putting your direct mail program on autopilot, and the company is going to train your people for you. That's awesome, right? You don't have to do any selling or telling. What you're going to do, though, when you get your people in the Power Lead system, we have a Facebook group. You're going to invite your people over to our team. The company has an official Facebook group, but we have one as a team, okay, that you're going to join. But we're going to connect them with the Facebook group, and they're going to get engaged with other entrepreneurs like you and I, and they're going to see how other people are using the system and making money with the program. Okay, so in a nutshell, let's recap. You're going to join this direct mail program where you're just mailing out your cards. It's $149 one time, no monthly fees here at all. Okay, you're not going to have to spend another dime with Easy Profit 100, that company. No. Okay, you're just going to order your postcards going forward. That's it. This program is paid for. $149, you're paid. Okay, then you come over here, and I'm going to put the links below, and I'm going to put them below in the description. Okay, you're going to join the Power Lead system as a gold member, $53.97 a month. It's going to allow you to make $20 residual income over and over, and you can also become a diamond, $147 one time. Purchase the Free Ad Secrets product. Okay, so now you'll be earning $20 residual every time someone becomes a gold member. Simple as that. Okay, that's how that's going to work. The two together is what I call money matrimony. Okay, by simply mailing the cards, sending people here, and then let this system right here, Power Lead system, sell Easy Profit and the Power Lead system together. The system is going to do that. You don't have to do any selling and telling, because you can have an autoresponder that's going to go out to all your leads. Everybody that puts their name and email in here, Power Lead system is going to send them an email. Okay, promoting the program. It's going to promote Power Lead system and Easy Profit 100. Okay, it's going to do all the selling and telling for you, and all you're going to do is invite them to our group, and also invite them to the training every Thursday. That's it, by sending out an email. And now you have this automated direct mail program on autopilot. Okay, that's it, guys. So that's a way to take direct mail marketing and add it with an online business, okay, and make residual income, okay, every month. All right, and by adding this product, Free Ad Secrets, to make an extra $100, and that's up front. Okay, because you're going to pay that $147 one time. The only monthly fee you're going to have here is $53.97. That's it. That's the only monthly fee. Everything else is paid in full. Okay, so get started with me in Easy Profit. I'm going to put the links below for both of these programs, okay, so that you can get started. All right, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I will be happy to answer those questions for you. I'm rarely available to help people that's really interested in taking this seriously, okay? All right, guys, that's all I've got for you. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Hit the red button to subscribe and the notification bell so that you can receive notifications when I upload a video. All right? See you guys on the next one. You guys have a blessed day.